Welcome guys, in today's short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chrome not opening in less than 1 minute. First thing, go down here into the search and search for Chrome, exactly like that. Click on your right mouse, click on open file location. Click again here on your right mouse, open file location. Now it will take you into the Google Chrome files and location. Click on your Chrome on your right mouse, choose properties and go into the compatibility. Click on run this program in compatibility mode 4 and choose Windows 8. After that, click apply and OK. So I'm not gonna check this option because my Chrome is already working. And after that, go back, click on your right mouse, click on run as administrator, and Chrome must be working. Don't forget to like, subscribe.